Don't get the boring store-bought stuff. I'm showing you how to make an elevated, flavorful cranberry sauce infused with warm Indian spices. It's a really simple recipe that'll add a special touch to your Thanksgiving, Christmas, or holiday table. I want to infuse maximum flavor into this sauce without overpowering the cranberries. The best way to do that is to infuse the fragrance of the spices into hot oil. I picked spices that evoke the holiday season: cinnamon, cardamom, and clove. The ginger adds a beautiful warmth to this dish without being too sharp because I kept it whole. I use a wide pan because it reduces the cooking time by distributing the heat more evenly. Let the cranberries absorb the flavorful oil. I deviated from the holiday theme at the end and added spices that I've never seen used with cranberry sauce. So stick around to find out what they are. Add enough water to immerse the cranberries. Then add the sugar. Bring it down to a simmer, cover, and cook it till the cranberries are completely soft. This looks perfect. You don't want the consistency to be too thick at this stage because the sauce will thicken as it cools. Fish out the whole spices. And now it's time for the final stage. This is the surprising part. I've never seen these spices used with cranberry sauce. But I think the kick of the red chili, as well as the mustard seeds, will add a nice contrast to the sweetness of the cranberry sauce. As soon as the mustard seeds pop, we're ready to serve. Welcome to our Thanksgiving special episode. Let's see how our experimental cranberry chutney turned out. Ross, do you want me to break the chili and add even more spice into the chutney?
Let's do it.
Awesome. Okay, we want to mix the mustard seeds and that flavorful oil into this just a little bit. Let's taste.
Let's give it a try. All right, I really like that. I'm also a big fan of cranberry sauce to begin with. Make sure you're making your cranberry sauce and you're not opening a can and pouring it out for Thanksgiving. So at least make your own sauce. This is a nice take on it. There's a lot going on in a subtle way. The heat of the actual warmth of the cranberry sauce adds a lot, and it makes you want to have it with the turkey. That said, you'll probably have a gravy to go along with it, so you can kind of trade-off, taking bites between turkey with gravy and turkey with cranberry. But yeah, nice, different take on this classic Thanksgiving cranberry sauce.
Yeah, I can actually taste the spices that we put into the oil in the beginning of the cooking process. So the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the clove has a nice background flavor and depth that adds to this dish, which perfectly goes with all of the other flavors that might be on your Thanksgiving table. And that little tempering of the mustard seeds adds a little bit of a kick, a little something. It's not spicy, but there's something going on at the end, which is a nice touch, I think. So try this out this year and let me know what you think. See you next week.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, I didn't think it would add so much flavor.
Yeah. The texture came together.
If you like this recipe, you will love this other elevated dish with Indian spices, the potato pave.